But that's simply not possible.
Why isn't it possible?
It's just not.
Why not, you stupid bastard?
You ready? No, seriously. Are you sitting down? Because what I'm about to tell you is going to blow your mind. Harvard professor Avi Loeb, the man who made the entire world look up when Oumuamua flew by, the only top scientist brave enough to say the word alien without whispering, he just came out and said it. 3I/ATLAS is not a normal comet. Right now, I give it roughly a 40% chance that it's artificial. 40%. Let that sink in for a second. He didn't guess. He listed 11 insane, independent anomalies that make natural feel like the crazy answer. Listen to this. Here we go. 1. The orbit is almost perfectly flat, only 5 degrees off the plane of the planets, coming the wrong way. The odds of that happening by pure chance? 1 in 500. 2. It fired a jet, straight at the sun, not away from it, toward it. Comets don't do that, ever. This breaks everything we thought we knew. 3. It's huge, 50 to 100 kilometers wide, millions of times heavier than Oumuamua, and still screaming in at full interstellar speed. Nature does not build monsters that big that still move that fast. 4. It danced past Mars, Venus, Jupiter, exactly when they were in the perfect spot. Then, at its closest point to the sun, Earth was hidden on the opposite side. 1 in 20,000 chance. That's not luck. That feels planned. 5. The gas is full of nickel, industrial, man-made levels of nickel. This doesn't smell like a comet, it smells like a factory. 6. Water? Barely 4%. Real comets are wet, dirty snowballs. This thing is almost completely dry, like it was engineered that way. 7. The way it scatters light. The polarization is so extreme. We have never seen anything like it in our entire solar system. It just rewrote the record books. 8. It came from almost the exact same patch of sky as the 1977 WOW signal, only 9 degrees off. Tell me that's a coincidence. I dare you. 9. Near the sun, it suddenly turned electric blue and exploded in brightness, way faster, way bluer than physics says is possible. 10. The jets are so powerful, the math says it would need a surface thousands of kilometers wide to make them. But the actual object is tiny in comparison. The numbers just don't work. 11. It lost at least 13% of its entire mass near the sun and didn't even crack. Any normal comet would have shattered into a million pieces. This thing laughed at the sun and kept going. Avi Loeb looked at all 11 of these, took a deep breath, and said, "When you multiply them together, the chance this is 100% natural drops to practically 0. That's why I'm saying 40%. 40% that this is technology. So tell me, is this an alien probe drifting through our system? A piece of a light sail from a long-dead civilization? Or the most impossible accident nature has ever pulled? I don't know yet, but my heart is racing, because right now, in 2025, we might be living through the biggest moment in human history. Drop your thoughts below. I need to hear them. Share this, because if Loeb is right, the whole world needs to wake up.